water in one of our engines or seats like the Hungarians and wow. Because it is nice. And again, hot and 3. The regulators in 4 and Altia or Clayton's moving your way well and truly. And then we want down in the loading bay